Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can appear offline to your friends on Roblox and how you can turn off the activities that are here so they aren't able to join you or know that you're in a game. Go to more, go to the settings tab, go to privacy, and then go to visibility and private servers. Go to visibility and you're going to select show current experience to no one, and also make sure you have this off so friends won't receive updates about your recent activity and experience. And that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.